Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Thought I'd do a quick video. I'm cleaning up these hammerheads, and thought I'd just show them to you real quick while I'm cleaning them up. This is an old Vaughan and Bushnell and Vaughan, or kind of hard to see. There's very small print. A claw hammer. Another one, we got a standard claw hammer here with the barrel face head, I think they call it. And we got another Vaughan here. Straight claw framers style hammer. Pretty chewed up on top. And this is a shingling hammer, I guess. Let's see here. I don't know where that maker's mark is. There we go. Clark's, San Francisco. We got a Worth claw hammer. Another Vaughan 24 ounce framer straight claw. Yet another Vaughan. $9.99, something like that. 20 ounce, made in USA. Got an arrow. Claw hammer here. I think these are called barrel heads. I forgot the terminology on these. Pretty sure something like that. Anyway, I know you guys know. That's a pretty one right there. Okay, we got some ball peen hammers here. This is American Fork and Hoe. Now this predates True Temper. So the before there was True Temper, there was this company. Got a Plumb. $20 ounce. And the last one, I'll be done here. Probably need to go back over them and get the insides a little more, but This one, hey, maybe you guys could help me on this one, because I really don't know what that is. And let me know, guys, if you can figure out what this logo is, because I really don't have any idea. Triangular looking kind of thing in there. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.